Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today we're reviewing a thing that I've never ever had before, although I really kind of need it, you know what I mean? If you're in the small engine repair, lawnmowers industry, you always want to sharpen blades for your lawnmower. Well, usually people just use a hand grinder or a table grinder. I gotta show this to you guys. I've never ever had one before. This is a lawnmower blade sharpener from my occasional sponsor, VEVOR. So here it is, the VEVOR grinder that's made especially for lawnmower blades. It has a little guide over here with a spinning grinder. The size of this motor, it's very heavy too. Really good quality, heavy duty. I've got a couple of blades here that I'm gonna use to test. They're in terrible shape, very dull blades. This is your normal flat kind, and this is a kind with a mulching feature on the back. But all we need to do is grind the sharp edge. Let's plug this in and turn it on and see which direction this spins and how fast it spins. Holy cow. So it's going this way. Oh, look at that. Exactly at the right angle. You can't mess it up with the guide. There's no wondering what angle. You just place it on the guide and slide down. Again, you can't mess up because of the guide. Slide it right on there. You get a sharp cut each time. Oof, super sharp. So fantastic. Sharpens your lawnmower blades in a jiffy. You'll always be sharpening them at the exact angle that you need to do a perfect blade sharpen. It also comes with a replacement disc, grinding disc, as well as 2 replacement guides in case you wear these out. Great item for the small engine repair person or doing service for people's lawnmowers. You gotta have it because you'll never ever question the correct angle to sharpening the blades. If you guys are interested in something like this, I'll leave a link in the description. Go check out lots of VEVOR products also on their website. Make sure you check the link in the description for the special subscriber discount code. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's product review. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
This guy screwed this up. I'm gonna
See you guys next time on Mowers.